Our California trip continues now that our room is ready at the Grand Californian Resort. We'll give you a quick tour of our room and secret balcony before heading over to Disneyland. This hotel was constructed in 2001 as part of the major expansion of the Disneyland Resort, which included the opening of California Adventure. This luxury hotel was designed in a Northern California architecture style, plus has a private entrance to the California Adventure, which makes it a highly sought-after place to stay. In 2009, Disney Vacation Club opened a 55-room extension of the resort, and this is where we stay. Let's take a look at our room. Okay, ETT squad, let's do a room tour. We're in 4509. Let's go in. It's a deluxe studio. You got a nice spacious restroom with the sink area. A lot of areas to put your stuff away. Got a nice bathroom. Nice shower. Tiles really pretty. Here's studio kitchen, microwave, refrigerator, nice size sink, of course your coffee maker and your toaster. Plenty of cabinet space, a lot of drawers, of course your nice flat screen. Dining room area, you got the family room area, and of course your nice cozy bed. And then your nice balcony. Look at your view. View is beautiful. And the weather is just perfect out here. Blue skies. Endless blue skies. And then you got your little seating area right here.
What do you call this? Secret balcony?
Yeah, secret balcony where you can see all the shows.
Oh, it's actually called Paradise View Terrace.
Another bonus is on this 6th floor. Not many people know about this or think to go here. As a guest, you have access to this balcony, which, as you can see, overlooks the California Adventure Park. It's a really awesome place to get a glimpse of the parade or nighttime shows. The monorail doesn't stop here, but it does run right through this resort, which gives us many places to get cool videos from. Now let's visit Disneyland Park and see some of the sights and sounds. Where are the Dalmatians?
I lost them.
You lost them?
They're running around us. I'm actually getting trampled in these crowds and ruining their perfect
They're
appearance.
probably in the fire department.
Well, I checked over there.
You
Someone
checked
told
over
them to be
there?
over there. Perhaps Pluto told them to run away.
They're just so cute. I love
I
them.
know.
They're
adorable, especially on the rack.
Yes. No.
I could pose that. I do like this black and white one on here.
I like the jacket.
I know.
Go get him, Thunder. After him, boy.
Goodbye.
Cheerio, Tot.
Cheerio.
Have a miserable day. I know I will.
Nothing like clear blue skies when recording YouTube videos. We had lunch at Rancho del Zocalo, which has the huge burrito called the Zocalo, which is really cool. It's huge.
Actually, let me ask you a question. Can you get it gluten-free with a corn tortilla instead? No. We only have flour tortillas for burritos. Okay.
What's it called again? A burrito?
A Zocalo.
It's not on the menu, but just ask for it.
Do you have an allergy?
It's locals. It's a locals thing.
Flour, but I'd rather use it. There you go. I put some. There you go. It's okay.
That's the size of a baby.
Cup with us over there. Tabby.
ETT squad, check this out. We're at Disneyland. Look at the size of that burrito. Me and Lovey are gonna share that right now. We were too hungry to talk about it, and yes, it was delicious. I love all the transportation at Disneyland. It just adds so much to the experience and transports you to another time. Now we're at Disneyland. Actually, 3:30 is gonna be my Facebook Live on the parade. What's the parade called again? Do you remember, Lovey, the name of the parade? Pixar Parade something. Let's take a look at the Pixar Play Parade. This parade features floats and characters based on the Disney Pixar films, which made its debut here at Disneyland April 13, 2018 after it was moved from California Adventure. They added new floats for Luxo Jr., Inside Out, and the movie Up.
Enjoy. This is Sadness. I'm too sad to walk. Sadness, that's ridiculous. Sadness, I have a super important job just for you.
Hi there, my name is Doug. I just met you and I love you. I'm a great tracker. Have you seen a bird? Look at that bird.
castles
Who's
of
that?
bad.
Who now is the fairest one of all?
Time for a train ride and more incredible views of Disneyland before heading back to California Adventure and visiting the grand opening of Pixar Pier, which you'll see in our next video. Stay tuned for that.
Down their wisdom and knowledge through stories and songs. During our voyages, we sometimes stop to barter and trade with these local tribes. Villages like this one have helped.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you'll be in the loop on all our other adventures. Love my ETT squad.
All hands on deck. Stand by to go ashore. Yardman aloft, into the foot ropes. Furl the top gallants. Down with the flying jib. Make ready the bow anchor.